How to log an Instagram account in another phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram in the phone you have. Click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen on your profile. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find log out option. Log out in here, then simply open your another phone and open Instagram in that phone. Add the same username and add the password. After you've added that, click on login and simply your account will be logged in this phone. This is how to log an Instagram account in another phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.